Tips for online business you can make money with. Are you thinking of starting an online business soon? It will help you control your life and do work that is satisfying and enjoyable. If you want to achieve success, however, you must treat your business as a real job. Preparation can help you operate a stress-free, successful home business enterprise. Tip: you can get a tax deduction for your home business internet costs. A percentage of the cost of the service can be deducted from your earnings, though you can't claim more than half the cost if it's being used by you or a family member for non-business purposes. Keep your focus on maintaining your relationship with current customers. Keeping an older customer happy, one that already likes what you sell, takes a lot less time and effort than attracting a new one. Happy customers will come back for more. Tip: you always need to make sure you keep a separate line concerning your business phone. You don't want your child answering your business phone, and you want a separate message box as well. Select a name for your business that is personally meaningful. Regardless of whether you have plans to set up your website yet, you should still buy the domain name immediately. Domains often cost less than $10 annually, so get yours before someone else takes it. Initially, use a one-page site which gives your business information. Tip: be on the lookout for websites where home business owners gather. Search the internet and you will find a lot of great forums that you can become a part of. Once you have some know-how, you can easily promote a home business enterprise. Don't overlook establishing an online presence for your new business. The website can be set up in a single day on your own. It will not cost anything or very little to register the domain name. The fee is normally worth it when you are bringing in a profit. Tip: having a comfortable workspace with the supplies you need is the first step to starting a home business. This may not seem that important, but it is hard to stay motivated if you don't have the proper setup. Decide on the selling price for your merchandise. If you will be producing your own product, find out what it will cost to make it. Standard pricing will be about double your production cost. This should give you the price you need to charge wholesale buyers. To obtain a retail price, triple the cost. Tip: one of the best things to do when setting up a home-based business is to get a P.O. box for your business mail. Do not make your home address your mailing address when you post your online ads. Set your work schedule. A lack of office hours will have you working throughout the day and the night, non-stop. Allow yourself to have some personal free time and set a schedule similar to if you were working for a company. You'll keep your social life intact in this way. Tip: endeavor to be your best while working from your home office. Your self-esteem may suffer if you often place work needs ahead of your own needs. Creating realistic expectations of your home business will help you stay in check with your opportunities. Do you offer a great product that people will always be interested in? Can you succeed in the business as an honest businessman or businesswoman? Tip: running a home business requires a home office. It can be small, but it has to be organized. It might seem like a vacation being able to send correspondence from home, but eventually you may come to miss interacting with others on a daily basis. Try to become involved in activities that allow you to maintain personal connections. Tip: choose a business name that has some kind of personal meaning to you. Regardless of whether you have plans to set up your website yet, you should still buy the domain name immediately. The efficiency and accountability of your home business can be greatly improved if you retain all relevant receipts. Anything that you spend for your work from home business is tax deductible. Therefore, it is important that you save all of your receipts. Unless you save your receipts, you may end up paying unnecessarily high taxes in April. Tip: all businesses need a short description, often called a business objective. State the nature of your business and your purpose clearly, as well as where you expect to take the company. It is a good idea to reach out to other home businesses in your area. This can accomplish a few things: you get out of the house to see your network, you team up to sponsor local events and get publicity, and you support one another. It's good to get away from your computer and to see people sometimes, too. Tip: artistic talent means that you could sell graphic designs to area businesses. Because they often receive more personalized service from independent designers, Local businesses sometimes prefer to work with them. Your work-from-home business can be successful. Doing your research and having a plan will maximize your chances for a successful business. Good luck, and hopefully your home business will be like a well-made machine. Tip: a home business is a real business, so don't go charging in without a business plan. It's possible that you'll make alterations to this plan as time passes, and you may wind up throwing it out completely.